Hello everyone. We are CookieYes, a GDPR and CCPA cookie consent solution, trusted by over 1 million websites. Today, let's see how you can add a CookieYes cookie banner on your Shopify website. After you sign up with CookieYes using your Shopify website and choose the banner template, the next step is to copy the installation code. Now on your Shopify website account, go to Online Store under Sales Channels. From the options, choose Themes. You will see your website's current theme. Click Actions here to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Edit Code to open the theme code editor. Here, under Layout, select the template language. Click Theme Liquid. Paste the copied CookieYes code between the head tags in the editor and save the changes. You can now see the cookie banner on your Shopify website. Customize the banner and manage cookie consent on your website using the CookieYes web app. Try it for free and make your Shopify website GDPR and CCPA compliant. Thank you for watching.